Hey gearheads and car owners, ever wondered why your radiator fan seems to be running when it shouldn't? Today, we're diving deep into a problem that could save you thousands in potential engine damage. Quick, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's causing those weird fan behaviors and how to diagnose them like a pro mechanic. Section 1. Understanding radiator fans. First up, let's break down the three main types of radiator fans. 1. Mechanical fans, driven by your engine's serpentine belt. 2. Electric fans, controlled by your car's computer. 3. Hydraulic fans, using fluid coupling for variable speeds. Pro tip: a healthy fan should only run when your engine needs cooling. So if it's running when the engine's cold, Houston, we've got a problem. Section 2. Top reasons for abnormal fan behavior. Let's investigate the usual suspects. Faulty temperature sensors, broken engine control module, stuck thermostat, coolant leaks, mechanical fan clutch failure. Have you ever experienced weird fan behavior? Drop a comment below and let me know. Section 3. Diagnostic step-by-step. Diagnosis is key. Here's how the pros do it. 1. Scan for diagnostic trouble codes. 2. Check sensor resistance. 3. Monitor sensor voltages. 4. Pressure test cooling system. 5. Inspect fan control circuits. Section 4. Repairs and solutions. Once you've found the problem, here's how to fix it. Replace faulty sensors. Reprogram ECM. Replace thermostat. Fix coolant leaks. Service radiator. Before we wrap up, smash that like button if this video saved you from potential engine trouble. Want the ultimate cooling system maintenance guide? Check the link in the description for our complete diagnostic checklist. Conclusion. Remember, a healthy cooling system means a happy engine. Stay cool, drive smart, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.